In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix common error in MT5. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start the fixes, we need to understand and categorize these MT5 errors you might be getting. So basically, it helps group the errors into three big buckets. So number one, connection platform errors. So no connection chart, not updating, freezing. Trade execution account errors. So for example, not enough money, invalid parameters, trade disabled. Number three, programming indicator expert advisor, EA errors if you're using custom scripts. So each has different root causes and fixes. So now I'm going to go ahead and go through each category of common problems plus solutions. So basically we need to go ahead and check our connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi data, go ahead and switch over to mobile data or vice versa. And also try turning off or removing your cable from your router for 30 seconds to maybe get another new IP. Fix number two is to go ahead and clear the MetaTrader 5 cache. So go ahead and click onto it, click on the eye, scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache. Now this is going to fix any caching problems. Now we might also need to update MetaTrader 5. So this is fix number three. So click and hold down onto the app, click onto eye, scroll down, click onto app details in store. And now if it says update, go ahead and update your application. If it says open, you've got the latest update available already installed on MT5. Now the next fix is to go into settings. So I'm on an Android device. Go ahead and make sure your device is updated to latest software. So go ahead and click onto software update. Make sure to download and install any updates if there is any available. Now, if those fixes don't work, our last resort is to go ahead and reinstall MetaTrader 5. So click and hold down the app, click on uninstall, and then reinstall it from your Google Play or App Store.